So hi, hello everyone, welcome back to our chapter professional. And today we're going to be learning subject of which is called long round layers haircut. So in this we're going to be seeing this transformation up to the complete of the haircut finishing end of the day. And also you guys have seen the before start the video slideshow presentation of videos. And after the transformations was absolutely ultimate, looking good, was very neat and clean as well. So in that look wise we don't compromise for anything like in stylings or haircuts and layering whatever may comes. So finally just all the sections got separated and help up to the comb also I'm going to be explain, and the back portion also you can just see where is that like something like triangle shape. Giving to the one line basic haircut. After that I center profile at picked. Exactly, I'm just giving to the O direction and just save the length and rest of the hair, creating in the layers so which can be give bouncy and clean messy looks, and it's clean and neat look as well. And top of that the hair is slightly thin, so the round layers is majorly to suits who having this slightly long hair and they want something multi layers, and this is one of the best haircut for round layers. After that I come to another side, the same consistently following the previous guideline and rest of the hair converting layers. After that I'm just cross check both the sides. After that I got release side portion. Before starting the layers I'm just going to add like one length basic haircut. After that I come to another side. So that I just take as a guideline from the stationery, and rest of the hair I'm just going to be add the layers. Now I'm just going to be release big horseshoe section, the center of the crown, and I'm guideline as I'm taking as exactly the center of the crown. Rest of the hair is as recreated by the layers of the previous guideline from the center of the ground. After that I got to release the fringe portion. This is a complete of after layering the final look, and after that I just come to blow dry. As it is, I'm following this spiral blow dry for complete of the hair, all the sections, subsections. After that, as another side, it will remain the same techniques. I'm just going to follow back. The side section also going to be finished faster. After that I come to another side. After that, I'm just going to be take as a crown portion. Last fringe section going to be finished. this is for complete our final look. I hope you all understand and enjoyed the video. This is called a complete of the round layer haircut, the last end transformations, and before also you guys have seen with complete up to the flowing out the layers and showing up very good finishing. And after that, this is complete of the look transformations you can just see. And if you have any doubts and any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Definitely I'll clarify for you. After this, the texture, it will be after the finishing this, we're going to be add some texture on this. It will be really long lasting. So this is a complete of the final look. Will be before I start with the texturing. You can just see. See from the front, it will be how bouncy look was visible and how clean and neat look to overall to the looking very volume and neat finishing overall the layers. So that's called complete up the haircut, which can be remains to the maintain the length and the recreate the ultimately round layers and non-compromise the length and non-collapsing the length, which can be providable to the parameter up to the layering, which called professional, where we can follow the complete up angles, degrees, elevations. So that so many things it will be in this one video. It's implementing with a multiple. So this is a complete of the last finishing before the texture. And after this, we're just going to be add some texture on the hair. I'm just going to be started gradually adding the texture. The crown portion going to be finished, and now last section we come to the fringe. And the fringe portion is the final finishing, and after that we can just adding some like zigzag layer in the crown portions, which can be maintained, and crisscross sections which can be add extra volume on the hair and providing something volume shoot root booster. So this is my final finishing. So this is the last final finishing. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please let me know in the comments below how was the complete of the haircut, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for every updated notification will be get each and every time for as a exclusive videos. And don't skip the videos until watch a complete of the video you don't even understand as well. And ensure share with your friends, and if you really like the video, please hit the like button. Minimum 600 likes I'm expecting on this video. And don't forget to share with your friends, and even don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll be meet up to the next video. Until, take care and be safe.